Here we have the 2022 Toyota 4Runner Limited 7-passenger Blizzard Pro with the Redwood interior. 20-inch rims, comes with the running boards. It's got the signal lights on the mirrors. Has the front and rear sensors, fog lights, pre-collision system with radar cruise control and lane departure alert. One of the big major changes we're going to see for 2022 here is the mirrors. Now you do get the blind spot monitoring built in the mirrors with the rear cross traffic alert. And with the Redwood interior, really nice brown. Comes with the all-season mats, or at least here in Canada it does. It's got cup holders in the door, chrome inner handles, really nice wood grain interior through here on a few things like the shift knob and the dash. And then this paint you can see has really nice metallic in it. Now in the back, because it has the third row, these seats do fold forward. Now I have this one forward just so you can see how much room you would have in behind the seats. You're going to get cup holders here in the middle, child seat anchors and stuff are nice because you can just pull this and they're just tucked nice and easy right in there, but then they're nice and covered when you don't need them. Now to get into the back, you can just pull this handle here, seat flips forward, and then you can hop back into the third row like that. You get automatic where it's all the way down, all the way up on all 4 windows too, which is nice. You also do get the cup holders in the doors, and you're going to get your USB ports down below. Now here, really nice taillights, which have been since basically the 2010 model. Comes with the hitch, full-size spare tire, and one of the really nice things is you have your 7 and 4 pin wire harness up top. Also has your X-Ria suspension built in with all the limiteds. Now with your back window, you can hit the button here, and that'll actually drop your rear window. Same thing, you can hold up, rolls the window back up. It's a manual hatch because they have that window built in, so with the weight and everything they needed to have it manual. With the seats up, you do get a little bit of room, which is nice because you do get the 50-50 split, but you're getting the JBL sound system, has a rear plug and everything built in too. And then with the seat, you just pull this handle here, flips the headrest, and then from this one, flips it down flat for lots of cargo space. Also nice, it has this bumper protector here, so if you have to sit on it or send anything down, you're not going to end up with scratches and stuff on your paint. Driver's side here, just like passenger, you get the power driver's seat with lumbar, but you get lumbar support. Memory seats are built in here. You get heated front windshield under your wipers. You get automatic high beams with your automatic headlights. You get the steering wheel audio controls, and information display controls are all there. Same with your radar cruise and your lane departure alert button there. Cruise control underneath, push button start there. Now if we'll hop in, I'll show you. So with push button start, put your foot on the brake, hit the start button. It'll fire up with the nice animations between the new screen that I believe came out in 2020. And then you have your multi-information display with your instant speed, sway warning, distance till empty. And then here you do get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You'll have navigation system, like I said, JBL sound system, dual climate control, heated and cooled seats are just down below here. So you push that out, heat, cool the other way. USB port there for data and slow speed charging. It is a full-time four-wheel drive, but you can lock all four wheels together so that they spin together. You don't want to use that on dry pavement though, of course. You can disable dual climate control, the map depending what you want, 3D, 2D, and you also will get destination assist. Your projection will be your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Through your setup, you can customize all the screen, pair your Bluetooth, edit from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So depending what you want to go, like, you can switch it back and forth. And then up top here, you do have your garage door openers, and then your traction control and downhill acceleration buttons. SOS, you can call Toyota, get roadside assistance, sunglasses holder, and then auto dimming rear view mirror. And then a lot of people don't know, but you have the sunshade that comes out, so you can get right to the edge of the window too. So up top, you got your clock, and then just overall, nice, huge visibility, nice big windows. Not really any big blind spot, but you do get the really nice big mirrors too with it. So if you have any questions, I'd love to help you out on any Toyota or Lexus product. This is Mike Linterman here at Lexus of South Point in Edmonton. Thanks for watching.